Welcome back to Car Culture. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about commuter motorcycles of the year, the brand new 2026 Honda CG 150. Honda has given this classic a fresh twist for the modern rider, and trust me, you're going to love what they've done with it. Let's get started. The first thing that grabs your attention is the stunning design refresh. The 2026 Honda CG 150 now comes in a range of vibrant colors, including a head-turning metallic orange and a bold metallic green option. Up front, the bike features a round LED headlight with a chrome rim, paired with sleek LED indicators that give it a premium modern edge while keeping the CG's classic silhouette. The chrome front fender, polished alloy wheels, and sharp lines on the fuel tank make the bike shine under showroom lights. From the side, you'll notice the seamless flow between the orange fuel tank with Honda badging, the comfortable black stitched seat, and the sleek chrome exhaust. The bike manages to balance a retro commuter look with a very 2026 modern flair. But what about performance? Well, Honda has kept the trusted 150cc air-cooled engine that the CG series is known for. It's reliable, fuel-efficient, and designed for low maintenance, exactly what commuters need. The 2026 model brings in some small but important upgrades: a refined fuel injection system for smoother acceleration, improved suspension tuning for better comfort on city roads, and a digital analog instrument cluster, which combines a modern display with the classic round dials riders love. Honda has also made sure the riding posture is upright and comfortable, perfect for daily commuting or weekend rides. When it comes to safety, the new CG 150 is equipped with front disc brakes paired with rear drum brakes, offering a solid stopping power balance. The alloy wheels not only look stylish but also improve handling. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. The fuel tank now holds 16 liters, giving you more range per refill, and the ergonomic seat design ensures both rider and pillion can travel in comfort. And now, the big question: the price. The 2026 Honda CG 150 comes in at an expected starting price of around $2,150, which is fantastic considering the build quality, style, and Honda's legendary reliability. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a bike that's stylish, efficient, comfortable, and built to last, the Honda CG 150 2026 model is absolutely worth considering. It carries the spirit of the classic CG but delivers it in a package that feels right at home in 2026. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Honda CG 150. What do you think of the new look and features? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more reviews here on Car Culture. Until next time, ride safe and stay passionate.